Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Tara. Today I'm going to be trying out a new product, at least it's new to me. As you can tell from the title, we are going to be testing out a spray-on highlighter. Now this is from Sephora. It's called the Perfection Mist Nude Glow. Now I've heard of like liquid highlighters, loose highlighters, powder highlighters, even gel highlighters, but I've never heard of a spray-on highlighter. So I'm really excited to try this out. I found out about this product through Desi Perkins. I believe it was in one of her favorites videos. And you know, me and Desi, we're not exactly the same. We're not exactly the same complexion, you feel me? So I want to see if this is something that could work for deeper skin tones, and if it's just something that's easy to work with or something that, you know, you might want to add to your collection. And I thought it would be fun to test it out on camera with you guys for the first time. And yeah, I've done my entire face. I did film this tutorial. It's probably going to be up on my channel, so I will leave a link to that in the description box below. So we're gonna shake it up, shake, 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 and get to work. Let me just do a little test spray in the air. Okay, I didn't really see much of anything. I think the way she did it, she did it like, I don't know how she did it, but we're gonna try. I don't think she did it like this. I think she kind of came from the side. I'm so scared, y'all. I'm scared. I'm serious. I'm so scared. I'm gonna bring my mirror closer just for convenience purposes. I'm so scared. I don't want to mess up my makeup. Okay, I missed my face on that one. Ooh, what? That looks beautiful. You guys. Yo, that looks good. That looks really good. Let me try it again. Oh, that looks so good. That looks really good. Okay, we're here for it. Let me try the other one, the other side. She said to come from the side. That is really, really beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow. It's really pretty. I'm shook. It's a very natural glow. It's not golden, it's not silver, it's not rose gold. It's just, it's kind of sitting on top of my skin. Okay, when I turn to the side, you can kind of see it sitting on my skin. So I am going to have to do something about that. So I'm just going to take my e.l.f. small tapered blending brush. This is a brush that I use for my highlighter. And I'm just going to press it into my skin very gently. Oh, it still looks good. I was a little scared. This is a very subtle but beautiful radiant highlight. I kind of want to try putting on a little, just a little bit more, just a teensy weensy bit more, just, you know, to see where it goes, how far you can push it. Ooh, what? You can push it. You can absolutely push. That is something else. That is something else. This is pretty cool, guys. This is pretty cool, guys. I don't really get excited about a lot of products because there's nothing new under the sun, but this is very new to me, a concept of a spray-on highlighter. And I'm just going to take my brush and just pat it into the skin. Yo. We're here for it. We're here. I'm just patting into the skin because it does tend to sit on the skin a little bit. I think like a damp beauty blender would probably work really well, or even a dry beauty blender. You don't need to put a lot of pressure. You just need to very lightly tap it into the skin. And I'm here for this. I really am. Anyway, I really hope you all enjoyed this mini review of this spray-on highlighter, which turned out to be amazing. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a marvelous day.